The following program was made possible by Bonfils Stanton Foundation and viewers like you.
I still don't understand where you got all those moves from, though. Like
divine providence. I think it's
Johnny is but a vessel.
I'm but a vessel for the spirit to move through. I think it's a mixture of divine providence and being 100% okay with looking like a complete idiot.
You know, I'm feeling good. Damn right, I'm feeling good. You know, I'm feeling good. Damn right, I'm feeling good. Double up. What does that say?
Welcome to Sounds on 29th. I am Stephen. How many times have you heard Greeley funk? Sweaty northern Colorado soul, y'all. So if y'all are ready, make some noise for the Burroughs.
I'm learning as I go, and every day gets a little more complicated. I'm still figuring it out. I'm still learning how to move. I'm still trying to find my groove. I may not have it down, but I can show you how to do the new walk. Step by step, moving one by one. Just another trip around the sun. Got to learn before I can run this new walk. Alright, Vocal MX, I need your help on this one. Check it. Step one, everybody have some fun. Shout hey on the two, let me hear you now. Hey! Alright, who went to music school? Step two, as you're learning what to do. Shout hey on the three, let me hear you now. Hey! That's pretty good. Step three, everybody follow me. Everybody shout it out on the four. Wait. Step four, people, if you want some more, then everybody shout it out. Say I'm alive. I'm alive. At least I'm trying to be step by step, moving one by one. Just another trip around the sun. Got to learn before I can run this new walk. One more time, y'all. Everybody shout, I'm alive. 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 Still figuring it
a lot of bands, either toxically or healthily, will be like say that they're family, right?
Yeah.
So, but you all really seem like you are. So if you were to compare your band to a famous family from fiction, what would it be?
Whoa, a famous family from fiction?
Got a
I
lot
gotta
of
think of a
F's in there.
healthy one.
Yeah.
You know, the Brady Bunch is like a nice blended family.
I would say Bob's Burgers.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, just like everyone's kind of wild and weird in their own ways, but it all kind of, that's also the glue. The weirdness is also the glue.
I'm going to throw up a flag and say all of us have worked in a lot of aspects of the arts and been in a lot of bands and projects, and I will plant my flag and say I think we're pretty darn functional.
Yeah, I think so too.
It's some pretty healthy vibes.
Yeah.
We like to be around each other. We support each other. Musically, we support each other outside of the band for sure. I mean, I think for a lot of us, honestly, it's like the thing that ties us to the place that we live. It's like the most important community in my life, really, for me. So, yeah.
What is one of the ways that you feel like you've really showed up for one another? Like, what can you give us an example? Because I don't think we get to hear a lot about that with band dynamics.
I have so many examples. I mean, like I've talked like band members coming over and building furniture for my kids, and like bringing each other food when we know we've been having like a rough week.
Yeah, when both my kids were born, these two were the first people to like get it all assembled and get people giving us food, making sure we could sleep. And it's like true communal family vibes all the way through. I mean, you guys can probably think of way more than me.
Oh yeah, I mean it's just like I literally talk to someone in the band, like honestly like most of the band like every day. You know, and it's not just about like things that we're working on, like sending each other messages. Like when I have like good news to share, it's this group of people that's the first to hear about. When I have bad news to share, it's this group of people that's like the first to hear about typically. So yeah, I really think it is like that.
So ready to say goodbye to all the negativity I just said to do goodbye. 'Cause I just woke up to the fact that I don't need to be like you. Oh my God. I think I just found my groove. And I'm on my way. I'm stepping and I started to a new day. Oh Lord, I'm feeling good, and it's a Saturday. Hey, yeah. Somebody better hit the replay, 'cause I think I just found my groove. Just found my groove. Say goodbye to, snap your fingers to all the fears that I have held true. Yes, Lord, 'cause I'm a queen holding cold, baby, this is the truth. Hey, yeah, y'all better step back, 'cause I think I just found my groove.
One of these things does not make sense in this group of words. It's like an ACT test, all right? Okay. Funk, soul, Greeley.
That's what you think.
What talk to me about it.
Yeah. So, I mean, well, okay, so that's always been like, I mean, it's a truth about the band, and like I think it's like kind of been a bit that we've like reclaimed a little bit. So we got our start as a Greeley band, and you know, for people from Colorado who might have context about Greeley, it has a certain reputation, which I think has some merit to it, and some of it's like not earned, as being like kind of a cow town, agricultural. But we all met at like basically at UNC or through the music community, which is a great school of music, and then through circumstances, a lot of them related to the band, most of us have stayed in Greeley and like really rooted down in that community, like, you know, like have homes there, have jobs there, like have a really strong community. And so I think like we've just kind of dug into that. It's a place where like we have really been fortunate to like have the space to make things happen and try things, which I think is so rare. Like the industry's so tough, right, and so competitive that it can feel like, man, you only get like one shot to try something. And we've been so fortunate to have like, you know, kind of like shot after shot in a way to just keep iterating and experimenting. So Greeley's cool.
Yeah, it's been a cool home base for us, honestly. And I think, I don't know, for myself, like individually, probably because I'm like a woman who plays the drums, I love living in that space of like, oh, I'm not supposed to be good at this, but I am, you know. And I think that's sometimes how we feel about like the hometown, you know, is like, oh yeah, we're not supposed to be from there, but we are. Surprise.
Do you ever get that feedback after shows? It's like, where are you from again?
Oh, 100%. Since day one, everywhere we played, like we play, and they'd be like, and we would shout, you know, Sweaty Greeley Soul. They'd be like, so wait, you said Greeley? Y'all from Greeley?
Well,
Especially people in Colorado.
We were in Alaska this summer, and
yeah.
this lady that came up to me after, she's like, when you said you were from Greeley, was that a joke? And we were like, no. And she was like, what? We were like, okay, it's made its way up north.
Yep.
Tonight we came to take y'all to a whole nother planet. 'Cause up there, somewhere, we are all star people. There's a star man. There's a star man. There's a star man waiting in the sky. He'd like to come and meet us, but he thinks he'd blow our minds. There's a star man waiting in the sky. He tells us not to blow it, 'cause he knows it's all worthwhile. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hit me. Let's go. Foco and Max, you having a good time tonight? Before we keep this thing rolling, I need to know, do I have any shining stars in the building? Up in the balcony, do I have any shining stars up there? Down here on the intergalactic dance floor, do I have any shining stars out there tonight? This song is called Honey, I'm a Star, and it goes like this. Simply cannot describe all the beauty that I see inside. It's limitless. It can hold out the night. It can mimic the sun with its light. Turn out the lights and I'll shine in the dark. 'Cause honey, you know I'm a star. Turn out the lights and I'll shine in the dark. 'Cause honey, you know I'm a star. Honey, I'm a star. Honey, I'm a star. Honey, I'm a star. Honey, I'm a star. Won't be last but we do. I'll let you help me to sing. I is on the great galaxies made from the broad that was hidden in it. Turn out the lights I'll shine in the dark. Cause honey, you know I'm a star. Turn out the lights and I'll shine in the dark. Cause honey, you know I'm a star. Honey, 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 I'm a star, honey, I'm a star, honey, I'm a star, honey, I'm a star, turn out the lights and I'll shine in the dark. 'Cause honey, you know I'm a star. Turn out the lights and I'll shine in the dark. 'Cause honey, you know I'm a star.
What are you all trying to build with your show?
Oh, I mean, since the beginning, the goal of anytime anybody comes in contact with our music is that they walk away feeling better than what they did when they came in. And I think out of that has also grown this idea of that people get to, if but for a moment, attach themselves to something bigger. That's what's so beautiful about live music, is you get to come to a space where all of a sudden you're a part of something bigger and better than what you are in your everyday life. And even if it's just for a moment, you feel like you're a part of something that is just huge. And so for us, we really want people to come to a space where they feel accepted exactly for who they are and they get to be a part of something. If we can take that community, like family vibe that we have within our own band and spread that to, if we're playing to 10 people or 10,000 people, and bring them all together for a moment. My goal every show is if I can get everyone in the room together for one moment at least, where we're all doing the same thing. There's something so beautiful and something just like kind of like beyond what this world is in that moment. And that then they walk away feeling like, oh, okay, you know, life may not be what I want it, but it's good and it's only gonna get better.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank
We
you.
really appreciate having y'all here.
Yeah.
And can't wait for the show.
Yeah, it's gonna be
Thank you.
so fun.
Thank you. Thanks for having us.
Get up and clap your hands. Don't you see? What we're spreading across this land is love and unity. Bum, 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 da. Ooh. Bum, 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 bum. people get up and clap your hands a little louder, sing. Now I know you can get louder than that, get louder than that, get louder than that. Let me hear you say we. One more time, scream, scream it out, say. We are part of the real nation. We are part of the Thank you so much for PoMX. Thank you to Washingtons. We are the Burroughs. Peace. Love. Music. All around the world. Thank you. Sing it out! Free your mind! You got to 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 free your mind. Got to free your mind.
If you enjoyed watching Sounds on 29th, we hope you'll support PBS 12 to help bring you more fun, grassroots local music programming. Visit pbs12.org/program support and donate today.